3 series, 1 dream, a historic hat-trick of Border Gavaskar Trophy wins in Australia, but the dream shattered. How did it all unravel for Team India? Let's uncover the key moments, missed opportunities and standout performances that defined this thrilling contest. India's triumphs in 2018 and 2020 had rewritten cricketing history. Led by Virat Kohli and Ajinkya Rahane, they conquered Australia's fortress. But in 2024, with Rohit Sharma at the helm, the journey took a different turn. A 1-3 series defeat brought heartbreak. What went wrong? The stakes were high. After a dismal 0-3 loss to New Zealand at home, India's hopes for a third consecutive World Test Championship final hung by a thread. The Border Gavaskar Trophy became a must-win. Fans expected nothing less than brilliance from a team led by Rohit Sharma, with stars like Kohli and Bumrah in the mix. But Australia had revenge on their minds. India's batting was their Achilles heel. In 7 out of 10 innings, they failed to cross 200. It began in Perth, where, despite centuries from Yashasvi Jaiswal and Virat Kohli, India's first innings collapse for 150 set a concerning tone. They secured a big win there, but the cracks were evident. In Adelaide, the batting frailties worsened. Scores of 180 and 150 led to a humiliating 10-wicket defeat. Consistency remained elusive. Even when Nitish Reddy's century offered hope in Melbourne, a second innings collapse dashed India's chances. By the time the Sydney Test arrived, India's batting woes sealed their fate, falling short of 200 in both innings. Jasprit Bumrah was India's shining light in a dark series. With 32 wickets at an average of 13.06, he dominated, but the immense workload took its toll. A back spasm sidelined him in the crucial final innings in Sydney. His absence proved costly as Australia chased down 162 in just 27 overs. It was frustrating to sit out, Bumrah admitted. Despite his heroics, India's reliance on him exposed the lack of depth in their bowling attack. Once Australia's nemesis, Virat Kohli's series turned into a nightmare. He managed just 190 runs in 9 innings at an average of 23.75, falling repeatedly to the outside of stump trap. Kohli's dismissals highlighted his struggles. His solitary century in Perth was a rare spark in an otherwise dim series. Travis Head tormented India's bowlers throughout the series. His aggressive 140 in Adelaide and 152 in Brisbane turned the tide in Australia's favour. Ravi Shastri humorously dubbed him Travis Headache, a name India's bowlers might reluctantly agree with. And then there was Steve Smith. After a slow start, Smith delivered when it mattered, scoring crucial centuries in Brisbane and Melbourne. His return to form solidified Australia's dominance. Rohit Sharma entered the series under immense pressure and failed to deliver, scoring just 31 runs in 5 innings. His form raised questions about his leadership. Missing the opening test and being dropped for the final one, Rohit's lack of impact was a critical factor in India's downfall. The Border Gavaskar Trophy may be lost, but the journey isn't over. This series exposed weaknesses but also revealed areas to grow. With young talents rising and experienced players regrouping, India's cricketing story continues. What do you think went wrong for India? Was it poor batting, over-reliance on Bumrah, or something else? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Sports Phase for more in-depth cricket analysis.